Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 foods that can help fix your gut, with proven results. It wasn't until I started really paying attention to what I put into my body that things began to change. Let's get started. Now let's talk about yogurt. Yogurt is packed with probiotics, those live active cultures that everyone's talking about. These probiotics, they're like the cheerleaders for your gut, the good bacteria that help keep everything in balance. When your gut bacteria is in balance, your whole body sings a different tune. You'll find yourself with more energy, fewer digestive issues, and even a boost in your mood. Incorporating yogurt into your diet is such a simple, delicious way to start seeing those positive changes. Think about it. A dollop of yogurt on your morning granola, a refreshing smoothie with a scoop of your favorite yogurt, or even a savory dip for your veggies. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is, you're not just indulging in something delicious, you're actively nourishing your body from the inside out. Remember, not all yogurts are created equal. Look for yogurts that specifically state live and active cultures on the label. Start incorporating yogurt into your diet and see the difference it makes. Your gut will thank you. Let's travel to Korea for a moment and talk about kimchi, a food that's not just delicious, but a true gut guardian. Kimchi is a traditional Korean dish made from fermented vegetables, usually cabbage, and it's bursting with flavor and gut-loving goodness. The fermentation process is what makes kimchi so special. It creates those amazing probiotics, just like we talked about with yogurt, that help to balance your gut flora and keep things running smoothly. Kimchi is also a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamins A and C, which are essential for a healthy immune system. Kimchi is incredibly versatile. You can add it to stir-fries, rice bowls, sandwiches, or even enjoy it as a spicy side dish. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen and find what you enjoy most. Your taste buds and your gut will be thanking you. Sauerkraut, a probiotic powerhouse. Sauerkraut is basically finely shredded cabbage that's been fermented by lactic acid bacteria. Don't let the word bacteria scare you though. These are the good guys, the probiotics that work wonders for your gut health. Just like kimchi, sauerkraut's fermentation process creates an environment where those beneficial bacteria can thrive. Sauerkraut is also a surprisingly good source of fiber, which is essential for keeping things moving smoothly in your digestive tract. Fiber acts like a little broom, sweeping out toxins and promoting regularity. Beyond the classic hot dog topping, you can try it as a topping for salads, sandwiches, or even as a flavorful addition to soups and stews. Don't be afraid to experiment and discover your favorite ways to enjoy this probiotic powerhouse. Garlic, the tiny bulb with big benefits. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. These properties help to keep harmful bacteria in check, allowing the good bacteria in your gut to flourish. When those good bacteria are thriving, your digestion improves, your immune system gets a boost, and you feel your best from the inside out. Garlic has also been shown to help soothe inflammation in the gut, which can be particularly helpful for those who struggle with digestive discomfort. Incorporating garlic into your diet is easy and delicious. Add it to stir-fries, soups, stews, or roast it alongside your favorite vegetables for a flavor-packed side dish. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and explore the many ways this culinary hero can enhance both your meals and your gut health. Your gut will thank you. Almonds, tiny snacks, mighty gut support. These little nuts are packed with fiber, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber acts like a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. When your gut bacteria are happy, your digestion improves, your regularity is maintained, and you feel lighter and more energized. Almonds are also a good source of healthy fats, which are essential for nutrient absorption and overall gut health. These healthy fats help to lubricate your digestive tract, preventing constipation and promoting smooth sailing all around. Next time you're looking for a satisfying and gut-friendly snack, reach for a handful of almonds. You can also add them to yogurt, trail mix, or sprinkle them over salads for an extra boost of flavor and nutrition. Small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your gut health, and incorporating almonds into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to show your gut some love. Here's to a happy, healthy gut. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and motivation. It's about feeling your best from the inside out, having more energy, and living your life to the fullest. So go ahead, try incorporating these gut-loving foods into your diet and experience the transformative power of a happy, healthy gut. Until next time, stay well.